Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking a look at ticker symbol SKLN, that's Skyline Medical Incorporated. The chart we have here today is a 15-minute chart. Each candlestick on this chart representing 15 minutes of trading. So we go back about a week on the chart, but really I want to focus mostly on the data from today. So Skyline released some great news. Press release announcing an expanding relationship with GLG Pharma to include exclusive distribution rights of its Streamway product in Poland and eventually other Central European countries as well. So this is huge news for Skyline. With this partnership, it means that GLG Pharma will have exclusive rights to distribute that product in Europe, and if everything goes as planned, it will start in Poland and expand to other countries, including, but not limited to, Czech Republic, Latvia, Estonia, and Lithuania. So the sales, provided everything goes as planned, will receive a huge boost, and Skyline should be looking to some nice revenue coming in on their next earnings. So hopefully everything goes as planned. And in relation to that news, we saw the stock go up at the high of the day, over 30%, close to 40% on the close of the day, 28.35%. Let's go over where we can look for a breakout tomorrow. So we have three key levels to take a look at. We have our main support down here, and then we have the first resistance, and then the breakout resistance level here. That first area at the bottom, that first pivot point, that white line is $3.03. That's the hard area of support on an intraday level. This middle line right here, that's going to be $3.70. That's the intraday resistance that we now need to break in order to get to our breakout level. So provided that we stay above $3.03, this is the channel right here, 303 to 370. It gives us an opportunity to test the breakout level, which is $4. $4 has had historical resistance, and it makes sense since it's that round number. A lot of stocks love those round numbers like $4. Unfortunately today, it didn't really break out at the $4 level. It did hit 414 on the high, but it was already a bit so overextended from the open, which was right around 260, that it couldn't push up any higher than that. And you know, that's a really strong push though, from about $2.60 to $4.14, an extremely high push there. So it did get a bit overextended. However, we're still up quite a lot, still up, as I mentioned, 28%. That gives us an opportunity to test $4.14 tomorrow without having to cover as much ground as we did today. And even hypothetically, if we don't get to that $4 level, we can still trade this in the channel that it's currently in. If we get a bounce all the way down back to that $2.70 area, I'm sorry, not $2.70, that $3.05 area. Let me rewrite that here. If we get to 305, we can play that up and bounce all the way up to the next resistance level, since this channel is so wide, back to that 370 area. And that alone is going to give us about a 20% day trade, which is amazing. So there's definitely money to be made here today. Obviously the chart was very bullish up until the middle of the day. You know, it started making those lower highs, falling off all the way down, and it never really pushed back up. But like I said, it's still closed 28%. So if you got in anywhere here or here or here or here within the last few days, you made a lot of money on that swing trade or that day trade. And if you bought in midday, you kind of didn't make money. You did lose money there, since the volume, as you can see, the volume declined, the share price declined, and it didn't hold those upper levels of support, but it certainly held above 305. So just to reiterate, I'm looking for that test of support at 370, and then if it stays bullish, we could break out at $4 and test some new highs. Alternatively, we could bounce off 305 and look for a bounce play in this channel from 305 to 370 most ideally. But I would gladly take profits along the way, as 305 to 370 is a bit greedy. I would take, 305 even to 330 to 340 for a nice 10% day trade, and then maybe hold on to a little bit of shares depending on how bullish it is to see if we push to 370. So we definitely have options on this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you did, please like, please subscribe, and please stay tuned for more content like this. Have a good one.